What's my take?
I don't know that you're gonna be in here. You said Mondays you're here. And Monday I was on vacation. Let me just see. Yeah, but it's just gonna be Monday.
Until, let me
Are you
see.
not tired of seeing you?
Yeah, I know. Until the 23rd, the week of the 23rd, I'm here that week and the next week, or every day. According to Mr. Lee, passed away before. How's it going?
So, so good.
Yeah,
I just came back.
I
I
know.
went and
Did you go Miami or you went to see your house? Your house is not in Miami. Oh, okay.
I went both.
Did you?
Come on. I think I'd rent a car to sit in the garage.
No, I'm just saying, but how far are you from Miami?
3.5 hours.
Oh, yeah, that would be, if,
You can use
I would
this.
be deterred if not,
Use
deterred
it.
enough.
Yeah, you can use it. You don't work anymore.
At least not in,
Oh, that's good. You don't come here.
3.5 hours, that's long enough.
No.
I'm just saying local.
No, but you see, it's, when I look at it, right? You know, you see there,
It's been there, over, it's
it's been there since forever.
It's been there.
Yeah. When I look at it and I see all the girls hanging out in Miami, I'm like,
Oh,
yeah, I gotta be
hello,
there.
you are a married man, mister.
Anything you see there has been there since I start working here. Who you know, what can I do for you?
What did I do to you to get such?
I don't know, I'm just asking, who you know, what can I do for you?
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello, how are you? I'm going. Yes.
That's who you're looking for.
Not you. I don't know if you want to get that, but okay. You're fighting for that, you know.
That's my stuff. Leave it there, I'm doing payments
these
now.
yours?
Yeah, I'm doing payments now.
Oh, these are yours.
Yeah. I'm doing payments now, actually.
You ready?
Come on. Let me grab a little bag.
Maria, you know the other desk you invited to, right?
No, oh my God.
Maria, you know what I noticed? You know, I used to have the hand spray, so I normally clean my workstation.
Now you got white.
No, I need the spray, Marie. Come on. I hate the Clorox on my hands.
That's not Clorox, those white. You wish it was Clorox. You need paper towels.
Ah, you I cleaned here last week. So, yeah. You know I always clean my area.
Yeah.
Oh. Bloody criminals in the garbage.
Talking about paper.
Anyway, hey man. How are you?
You got a
I'm
long
good, I'm
way.
good. Sorry, I didn't catch your name from the last time. Ayana. Oh.
She didn't get it last time.
Yeah, I spoke to her once.
Wink, wink.
I know, right? Yeah.
She didn't get it. How long you been back from,
Yesterday, last Monday night, sorry.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to work either.
I'm still in vacation mode.
I know what you mean. Totally different look when you come back driving around here as opposed to driving over there. Right?
Yeah.
I didn't.
It's all properly now too with all the so I see you like it over here. As a matter of fact, I'm supposed to schedule some stuff with you to go out and so.
Yeah, it is. Thank you.
All right, time for me to get some week done. He's like working. Oh, my good gracious father. How have you been? Did you decide what you wanted to do, Maria?
About,
Church. You decided church?
yeah, I showed you my house.
Oh, you already done?
Well, I'm not done that, because I have to sell the one here. But, yeah,
If you don't want to sell it, you can give it to me.
yeah, giving is not an option.
What did you do with the white? Cute. Payments for high tech.
Do you?
Do I need to pay those out? So,
Well, you don't. How old?
no, those I paid them.
Okay, oh, okay. These are new ones?
These are new. These are young again.
Well, no, that's not fair. If the job is done,
No, the job is not done,
oh,
and I have to take a sub credit. So I'm gonna send back all their bloody pages.
here's the other option.
Tell me how much. Make a deduction?
Make a reduction, all the reductions that are necessary,
Yeah.
and,
Give them something to work with.
and on the cap itself, somewhere across, you're gonna write, oh, balance only to be paid in this, that. Or you, like, when you signature, that number, that's what she's gonna put, in cap for to be paid,
Okay.
after you do all that. That way, you don't have to play this back and forth thing. So if
I'm not the relationship.
they're gonna call you, oh, why did you lose the payment, what happened, then you say you owe me credit.
Yeah, I had an hour conversation with them this morning.
Oh, Jesus, already? And,
So, I ordered a job in October, but we spoke in August. I asked you specifically, send your text to scope the FMTs and send me a list so that I know what we have to project for. They do it. No, it's all right. I'm gonna take all these things and put them in the garbage.
okay,
Thank you. Now, you're gonna send me today a list, extras that you find today. And you were working on the job since when? And expect me to okay it? No, I'm not gonna okay it. I called Lily. And I said to Lily, do you have money that we can do this in another program? She said, yes. I said, okay. This is what I need you to do. She said, fine, I don't want high tech doing anything.
oh, yeah, they're not very good. Sad, though.
You know what should happen to them? I hate to see it happen. They should not get another contract from any city, agency.
Well, if they have liens and what have you, they